already started my breakfast, and this is the Turkish breakfast. Cappuccino, watermelon. Ooh. I love Turkish breakfast. They have all kinds of nuts and seeds and rahat and everything you want and you don't want. But they bring you everything you want. This is a little buffet if you want more bread or something. Look at my tea with a view. I'm still in the Asian side of in the Europe side of Istanbul. Beautiful, but being a little overcast, it doesn't show the prettiness. An upside down house. Haha, so cool. I've been to one in Romania. Now I am here. Here's the bathroom. It's so cool. I need to take some pictures. So I'm in an upside down house here in Istanbul. Everything is upside down. Everything is on the floor, so you can take cool pictures, but it's hard to take pictures if you're only one person. The TV and the table is upside down. The shower. So cool. Only 50 Turkish lira to enter. Which is like what, $3. Okay, let's go get the tickets for Miniaturk. I got my ticket for Miniaturk and it cost me 90 Turkish lira. $5 to see this. So this is a miniature Turkey. So this is a beautiful day. It was sunny, then rain, and then sun again. So I don't know until the end. But let's go down to check this, because behind all of them is a place where they said what are them, where are they locating in Turkey, because they're not all from Amsterdam. So what I actually want to see is if they have anything from Cappadocia, because I like the balloons over there, so I want to see how they make them in a miniature balloons. I see a big pool. I don't know what that's supposed to be, but let's go check it out. On the right side, it's a playground for the kids right over here, which is pretty cool because the kids don't care about the buildings, but they do care about the swings and play. Here looks like a labyrinth and a chest. If you want to play chess, you can take the helicopter. I guess you can go in the helicopter to see the park from up above. You can take pictures, dress up like them. So let's go see what else we can find here. Pretty cute, and it's only 90 lira to entrance to see them. So I take you with me and I show you all of them. After that, we're gonna go and eat. It's a cafe. I can't wait to have something to drink more than eat. I recommend this park. It's so cheap to see all of this, and I can't imagine how much they pay to make it. This is the Great Mosque of Diyarbakir, and is the oldest mosque in Anatolia. Here I see the train, so it's a mini train, and symbolic small trains going along the model area on 6 different lines, which total length of 1760 meters. Wow, this is pretty. This is huge, pretty mosque. It's the most magnificent Ottoman monument in Edirne. Is the Selimiye Mosque, which was built in honor of the Ottoman Sultan Selim II. The mosque, which was built between 1568 and 1575 by the architect Sinan the Great, is considered among his finest works. I'm in Cappadocia again. Here is the hot air balloon. But those are just miniature Cappadocian place, but it's so cute. I love them. And I love Cappadocia. If you go there and you don't go on the hot air balloon, is like you haven't had that experience to go up on these fairy chimneys and see them from up above and see like 300 balloons in one day. It's such a good experience. This is Izmit Clock Tower, very cute, and they have roses and so pretty. Let's see what's this. This is the parliament. This is made by Austrian architect Clemens Holmsisch. I can't pronounce his name. The building was started in 1939, opened in 1961. Wow. Pretty even here. I can't imagine to go on this parliament. Okay, here is the Atatürk Mausoleum. Here I can go around and see this pretty stuff from this side. I don't know yet what it is, but I'm gonna let you know in a second when I get back to the other side. Look how much attention we can get. Another mosque, another pretty mosque. And this mosque is built in order of Ottoman Sultan Murad III, and it was built between 1583 and 1586 in Manisa. And this is the Church of the Virgin Mary. It's the first church I saw here. This is the Chelsea's Library of Ephesus, and the library is located in the town of Selçuk in Izmir. This one is another grand mosque, built in 1229 in Sivassi. Look how pretty. miniature sign made by grass. It's got a Turkish guy cleaning and fixing it. Where our hotel is in Kramflat in Old Town, it's so busy, so much traffic, so much noise, so much even mess. And when you go in one of those parks, you can see birds, flowers, trees. Look how pretty they are. And you can play and don't have that. One of the things to do in Istanbul is take a boat to the Bosphorus for dinner, like a dinner cruise, and they have their dance, natural dance where they turn around. I don't understand that one, but if you wanna see, I have a movie on that too, so I'll leave it in the description below. I got my corn or boiled, and it's 12 Turkish lira. So we're gonna try this time. Not because I'm hungry, with this beautiful view of the mosque on this crazy place of Istanbul.